Okay, it's 11 o'clock. Thanks all for joining us. My name is Sue Dengenis. I'm the Director of Marketing for Synchro Software. Today's webinar is on creating realistic visual textures for your Synchro Pro models. It's being led by Maria Protosova, and Maria is based out of our London office. She's a graduate of the Moscow State University with a degree in industrial and civil engineering. And she's worked as a planning engineer, a project manager, and she is now a 4D BIM delivery specialist for us in our London office. Maria, if you'd like to get started with the presentation, that would be great. Thanks everybody for joining us.
Hi everybody. As you said, this is Maria Protosova, and I'm a member of project delivery team at Synchro Software. Today I will show you how to create realistic images for your Synchro models by using 3ds Max. First, I will open my Synchro model. As you can see, some textures have been assigned before, but still I have some elements which I would like to modify. To import my 3D geometry into 3ds Max, I apply a filter by using 3D sets. Then I go to File, Export. I will activate Take into account 3D View filter, and I will save my file in FBX format. I will press Save, Export. Synchro successfully exported 3D geometry. Now I will open my 3ds Max and I will import FBX file. Buildings, open. Okay. Now you can see that Synchro model has been imported into 3ds Max. To apply textures, I will use Material Editor. First, I will import some images into 3ds Max. Now I will pick up a couple of elements. I will choose this building and I will apply material to make sure that the texture has been assigned in the right way. I will go to option Modify, and I will choose the right shape. First, I have to select the polygon. As you can see, the building has been selected. And now I will select the right shape. Now you can see that textures has been assigned. Now I will import the different texture for roof, and I will assign the polygon. So, and now I go to modify. I will select the polygon. Now you can see that the textures have been assigned. Also, I would like to show you how to assign different type of images. As you can see, I imported this band, and now I want to assign Synchro logo. Because this element contains a small amount of polygons, then we don't have to modify our image. Now you can see that some textures have been assigned to our Synchro model. To synchronize it with our Synchro model, we have to export FBX file. By using FBX format. Now I go to my Synchro model. I can unselect the filter. I will go to Navigator, External Data, and I will synchronize my file, which has been exported from 3ds Max. Now you can see that textures have been appeared into Synchro. To create realistic images, you also can use InfraWorks, 3D Max, SketchUp, and other rendering software. I assume that's it. Thanks everybody. And now if you have questions, I will answer.
Okay, thanks, Maria. That was terrific. And so as Maria said, you can use other software besides 3D Studio Max. That's what she used here today. Just a quick note, all of these webinars are recorded and you will receive a link to the recording later on today. For those of you who weren't able to stay through the whole thing. Please feel free to submit questions in the question box. We do have a couple here that I'm going to start with, and if we aren't able to get to all of them, we will follow up via email. All right, so the first question, Maria, is, can I import images into Synchro?
Yes, you can import images into Synchro by using option texture plane, and then you can assign them to like resources into your 3D geometry.
Okay. Let's see, thank you. And the next question is, can I import Synchro animations into 3D Studio Max?
Yes, I can even show you. You have to go to Export 3D and select Export Animation. Then you can name your file in FBX format. Save. You can export the entire building, or you can apply the filters. And then you can import it into 3ds Max.
Okay, very good. We have one more question here. Is there a preferred software to use? So of those that you listed, Maria, is there one that you prefer over others?
It basically depends on the objects and elements which you are working with. Let's say if you work with infrastructure, then I would recommend to use InfraWorks. If you work with buildings and with some small elements like maybe some site or landscaping, then I would prefer 3ds Max.
Okay, very good. Hopefully that answered your question. And I don't see any other questions coming in right now. It is 11:15, so if you do have questions after the fact, please feel free to email us, but we appreciate your time. I know it's a holiday, well, day after the holiday in the U.S. here for Thanksgiving, so hopefully you all had a lovely Thanksgiving in the U.S. And please register for upcoming webinars from the homepage of our website. And thanks again for joining us today. You will receive the link to the video later this afternoon. Thanks, everybody. Thanks, Maria.
Thank you.